is actually upgrading the electrical system, making sure it's all in order, because the sparks are going to be an issue even out of the gate. You know, even under stock tune, there's been a lot of revisions. So what you'll see here is this one's going to be a little tight. I don't know how to make it less tight. I'm sure there is a way. And then this one's going to be easy. You'll need about a 10 and a 13 millimeter. There's also sometimes batteries in the back you might want to consider changing in as well, and sometimes they're under the dashboard, because you'll often find a bigger starting battery and then a smaller you know, like auxiliary voltage regulation battery in the back. I believe this is the year that it's manufactured, so like 25th week of 2013. So this battery is 7 years old right now, so that's why I'm doing this. And I had some misfires in cylinder 4 when I tuned, so I'm gonna, you know, I did the spark plugs as well. So let's see how this goes. The new battery, it's definitely a little bigger. You want to probably do the connections after you physically put it in, so it slots in the back and slots in the front. I don't know the torque, but I would say like hand tight, probably like 20 pound-feet of torque, I would guess. At this point, if you're tuning, you might also want to consider taking the battery off in the back. So I just removed this guy here, took him off. He doesn't come off, like he's not like a normal battery. He actually goes right into it. This is threaded. And the reason why you might want to do that is because you kind of want, there's a lot of computers in this, and you're going to want her to sort of feel fresh, you know what I mean? You don't want her to learn like all these adaptations and everything from the past and then throw it in, especially if you're getting some faults and stuff. Yeah, you definitely want to take this off. I've heard even maybe someone like mentioned that Eurocharge said like 2 hours. I don't know about 2 hours, but here's where I'm at. To reprogram Windows down for up all the way for 3 seconds until it closes, and then after it closes 3 additional seconds, down all the way until it closes or fully open. Hold it down for another 3 seconds. Same thing with the sunroof, and that should help you with all the windows. Oh, love you too, buddy. Then on the steering wheel, you might get an ESP fault. Basically, at that point, what you'd want to consider moving the steering wheel all the way to the right for like 2-3 seconds, all the way to the left 2-3 seconds, all the way to the right 2 or 3 seconds, all the way to the left 2 or 3 seconds, turn it off, turn it back on.